this week on ikindafixedit, we picked up 2 Craftsman Riding Mowers. Let's see if we could get them both running and not wreck the trailer in the process. First things first. Yeah. No key, no problem. Never mind, there is a problem.
Okay, this might be the problem. 2,000, 16 hours. There we go.
No key, no problem. Alright, so this thing must have some rust on the piston rings because you can get it to rotate. So I get it free, come back a little so I can get rotation. It's getting better, but it's not seized. It's just hanging up on the rings, I believe. So I'll keep working at this and maybe we'll get some progress. So let's see if we can get these 2 Craftsman Riding Mowers to run. You want to just work it because if it is rust and the piston ring seizing up in the cylinder, working it like that should be able to free it up. You might be sitting here all day. I could personally feel it smoothing out a bit. You could hear the compression backfiring through the carburetor. So with a little bit of work, this thing will be running. And with a little bit of work, yours will be running too. So you might find some free or extremely cheap riding mowers for sale. And you could fix it. You could kind of fix it too, like I do. But when you get them, it's okay to flip things if you're gonna put wrench time into it. But when you get these, you have to determine, is it flippable or is it for parts? This specific Craftsman will probably be for parts. This one, I wanna get it running and use this one for parts and help somebody out in need with a cheap, reliable mower that I put some solid wrench time in. So that's not just a flip. That's me kind of fixing it, like you can too. So all you shitheads that want to stay on Raw on TikTok, starting fluid. Decompression valve my ass.